Hey, this is Spencer and welcome to my channel. I have a suggestion for you if you're hanging your wallpaper and you're having trouble keeping the wallpaper down in the corners in particular. Because sometimes, here's what makes wallpaper corners difficult, especially the inside corners. In every corner that you hang, you're going to need a special glue, a tackier glue than the one that you're using. If you cut the corner, which will depend on the plumb of the wall and other factors, but if you cut the corner, you will need a different glue than the one you're using, except if you're using a clay-based glue that it's very tacky. So what I'm using right now to hang this particular installation is Romans 880. And that's a clear strippable glue. It's also heavy duty for type 1 and type 2 wallpaper. But when you get to your corners, okay? Now, I didn't have to cut this corner over here, but I did have to cut this one to save on wallpaper. I won't get into the reasons why, but this sheet down here is not a continuation of that sheet up here. It's cut. Hi. So what I did was I used a special glue, and I showed you on one of my previous videos that I use this glue, or Romans 535. It's vinyl on vinyl. But here's what I'm going to show you now, and I've never demonstrated this in one of my previous videos because I haven't been buying it, but I recently did. Here's a good product. When I was a young wallpaper hanger, I would get to the corners and I realized, well, my corners aren't staying down. And I got to use a special glue in the corner. Well, I figured if vinyl borders, which are not as popular today as they were in the early 90s. If a border is staying on top of vinyl with border adhesive, I'm going to use border adhesive in my corners, and that's what I did. And here is Romans border adhesive. That's essentially what this is. In fact, it says wallpaper and border adhesive. And it has this nifty little foam roller on it. But I just put it out on the cap of my glue container, and then I just brush it into the corners. You can't roll this stuff into the corners. And if you rolled this 3-inch piece, you're wasting too much of it. You just want it right in the corner. And so I do. I brush it right in this corner, and this way, on the back of your vinyl wall covering, there's paper. And that paper is going to stick to the vinyl underneath it if you should slightly overlap your corner. Let's face it, it's not always, you can't have a perfect cut in a corner. Your corner is never straight. So you have to push the corner one on top of the other. And then you cut it. Well, then you leave it in place and you use this glue. It'll never come off. So this is what I'm recommending for you. If you don't have access to Romans 535, which is super tacky glue, or a clay-based glue, which you can use for vinyl over vinyl, but this stuff right here that I'm using is super sticky. Get this. I got this at Lowe's. I think you'll find this in all of the Lowe's. They don't have much wallpaper stuff, but this I found. So that's your tip for the day. Use that in your corners. Use it on your edges. But of course, you got to get a lot of it because it goes quickly. So you always have to incorporate that into the price of your installation. You have to use the stickier stuff, because those are the vulnerable points that'll come up, your corners and every 4 corners of your wallpaper edges, okay? Okay, so thanks for watching this. Do me a favor, click on like and also subscribe to my channel. And here's what I'm asking you to do. Make a comment on this video. Tell me what you think. Say, Spencer, I agree, I like what you wrote. Or, hey, I use this, I disagree. Whatever you think, and we'll discuss it, because I've been hanging the paper for a long time, and I appreciate any challenges to the information that I give you, but you'll see that what I'm offering to you is absolutely correct. So, but I welcome all comments. Whatever you want to say, just make a comment on the video, please. And let me know what you think. Thanks for watching my channel. I have a co-host coming up. We have entertainment for you. And we'll be doing a lot of projects also, not only just wallpapering, but also sheetrock installation. But we're going to cover it like a do-it-yourself channel. And we're going to have it's going to be entertaining because we'll have guests that will engage us as we do the installations. And it'll be a lot of fun. So subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. If you click on the bell, you'll get future notifications of all my videos that I post hereafter. Thanks a lot for watching. This is Spencer on your Wallpaper channel. See you later.